Hello there. So I wanted to check in with you today because I've noticed over, the last few months, years that Get More Creative's been happening, that one of the most common questions that people ask me when they join the group is how to find their style. And that's the reason why I put together the Stylefinder series. And I've noticed, however, that not everybody who said they were looking for their style has signed up yet. So, are you putting off registering? If you're interested in finding your art style and you haven't registered yet, then I wanted to give you a good reason to get on with it. I know life's busy, we all have lots of other things to do. It's easy to mean to do something and then get distracted. So I'm going to give you a little deadline. If you sign up before Sunday, midnight, British summertime, so that's Sunday the 17th of October, this Sunday coming, then you can claim your early bird gift. So there's a link in the post, so you can just hop into my register, put your email in. It's free, it's no obligation, it's really easy to do. Do it now, it's done, and then you can claim your gift. The gift is a special style lexicon which will help you to think about your art style with more clarity and detail. And that'll be super helpful once we get into the Stylefinder series so that you can start to hone in on what makes your art your own. So if you're ready to do that, then hop on over. If you're still not quite sure if the Stylefinder series is right for you for some reason, whatever that reason is, if you've still got a query, then I would love to hear from you. If you tell me what your query is, then we can unpick that. Maybe I can help you out with something that you need to know first. We can get to the bottom of it and you can decide whether it's right or not. And yeah, so if you've got a query, do pop it down either in the comment if you're happy for other people to see it. If it's a private thing, then you're very welcome to just email me or send me a direct message with your query and I will do my very best to help you, because if it's right for you, then I want you to be signed up, and if it's not right for you, I don't want to waste your time. So two options today really. If you are thinking about how to find your style, either register now and claim your free gift, so the link is in the caption, as I said. And if you're not quite sure yet, send me a message or a comment with your question and we can sort it out for you. And I will hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye for now.